Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. A silk beige MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Pink set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assists, heated seats, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 18,517 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.